In this video, we're exploring a powerful yet simple feature in C#, known as the double question mark operator, or the null-coalescing operator. First, let's understand the problem. Imagine you're working with variables that might be null, for instance, data from user input or a database. Typically, you'd have to write multiple lines of code to check if the value is null and assign a default value if it is. Let's see this in action without the null-coalescing operator. Here, we have a variable called user input that we've intentionally set to null. To handle this, we need to use an if-else statement. As you can see, it's a bit lengthy, and while it's clear, it's not very concise. When we run this, we get our default value printed because our initial value was null. Now let's simplify this with the double question mark operator. Look at how much shorter our code becomes. Here, another input is also null, but we're using the double question mark operator to immediately assign default value if another input is null. Let's run the code again and observe the exact same result, but achieved in a much cleaner way. Finally, let's show you a useful trick with chaining the double question mark operator. Here we have three variables: input A, input B, and input C. Both input A and input B are null, but input C has a valid value. With chaining, the operator automatically picks the first non-null value. As we run this final example, you can see that it picks final default as the result, showing just how powerful and clean this operator can make your code. In conclusion, the null-coalescing operator simplifies your null checks and enhances readability significantly. Start using it today to make your C# code cleaner and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and coding insights.